Welcome to Securing Windows Server 2019. I'm Jeff Stillman, and I'll be the instructor for this course. I've been a technical trainer and course developer for over 25 years. My expertise is in Windows operating systems, PowerShell, Azure, and SQL Server databases. Let's begin with a brief overview of this course. We'll begin with policies and procedures, where you will be introduced to the Defense in Depth model that provides the framework and guidance for securing the compute environment. Then you'll receive a brief overview of the recommended procedures and practices for physically securing the compute environment, with a focus on file and data level encryption and using privileged access management tools to facilitate the principle of least privilege. In the third section, we'll focus on application and host level protections, including applying application updates and other application best practices. At the host level, we'll cover Windows Server 2019 features that provide malware protection, host-based firewalling, and solutions for centrally storing non-domain passwords. The fourth section covers internal and perimeter network protection strategies, providing a brief explanation of the best practices for protecting perimeter networks and internal networks. You'll learn about Windows Server 2019 features like software-defined networking, Microsoft Advanced Threat Analytics, and the Operations Management Suite. In the last section, you will learn about security features of Windows Server 2019 targeted specifically to virtual environments. You'll learn about Hyper-V shielded virtual machines and how shielded virtual machines provide an extra layer of security. This course was written under the assumption that the learner has some prior knowledge of Windows operating systems, so it is well suited to those wanting to enhance their Windows security skill sets. It will be helpful to have some familiarity with the Windows Server operating system, especially the Server Manager interface, and some familiarity with Microsoft Azure. To reproduce the demonstrations in this course, you will need a copy of Windows Server 2019 installed on a computer with a 64-bit processor, at least 8 gigabytes of RAM, and 40 gigabytes of hard drive space. The goals for this course are, first, to learn about the Defense in Depth model and how it is used to plan and implement security best practices, to learn how to protect data at rest using disk and file level encryption, to learn about the host level protections, including Windows Defender, local policies, and Windows Firewall, to learn how to develop threat protection procedures using the Operations Management Suite, to learn about the principle of least privilege and how just-in-time and just enough administration can be part of this practice. And finally, to learn how to lock down Windows servers using privileged access workstations.